Good afternoon, everyone. The wait for the aspirants of 2022 has come to an end. Finally, the results of the Civil Services preliminary examination that was held on the 5th of June are out. Eden IAS heartily congratulates all those who have qualified. Dear mains candidates, do read the guidelines mentioned on the website for the detailed application form 1, also known as DAF. You are a step closer to your aim. Don't lose the momentum now. All the very best. Those who haven't qualified, don't lose heart and get up. Analyze the strategy and study harder. We at Eden IAS have received a lot of queries from candidates who aren't able to check the results. Ideally, anybody can check the result on the official website of UPSC. However, currently, the website is receiving heavy traffic. So, Eden IAS is providing you with a PDF comprising of all the roll numbers which have cracked Prelims 2022. You can check your roll number here. This list is authentic. In case of any queries, you can reach out to Union Public Service Commission at the Felicitation Corner at Dholpur House, Shah Jahan Road, or you can contact them on the numbers given on the screen between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on any of the working days. Eden IAS wishes you all the very best. Thanks for watching.